AI is not merely a technological trend, it has become integral to our society, enhancing various sectors. From personalized education tailored to each student's pace to AI in agriculture optimizing crop yields, the innovations are paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient future. Moreover, the impact on creative industries exemplifies the potential for collaboration between humans and machines, further enriching our experiences. The future, driven by such advancements, holds remarkable promise for improved everyday life and fostering global initiatives. The realm of AI in healthcare is particularly transformative, enabling precise diagnostics that were once the domain of expert specialists. With tools analyzing vast arrays of medical data, these systems can detect anomalies early and suggest individualized treatment plans that cater to each patient's unique profile. Patients benefit from this proactive approach, experiencing better health outcomes while healthcare professionals can focus their expertise where it is most needed, thus alleviating the pressure on already strained medical resources. This integration not only signifies a major step towards personalized medicine but also positions AI as a key player in the future of healthy living. As we witness the remarkable evolution of technology, the focus on environmental conservation is particularly encouraging. AI's ability to monitor and analyze massive datasets allows for insights that drive timely interventions, protecting biodiversity. Through these innovative solutions, we can not only manage resources more effectively but also predict potential natural disasters, ensuring communities are prepared and resilient. Leveraging AI tools for the greater good signals a strong commitment to safeguarding our planet for future generations. AI technology's influence extends into numerous areas, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness in the modern world. In sectors like voice technology, platforms such as Ring AI are revolutionizing customer interactions by offering dynamic, real-time bilingual support. This allows businesses to cater to diverse clientele more effectively, bridging communication gaps that have previously hindered customer engagement. Furthermore, the introduction of advanced voice agents signifies a shift toward personalized customer experiences, making interactions feel more natural and human-like. As businesses invest in these technologies, their ability to respond to customer needs will undoubtedly improve, fostering greater satisfaction and loyalty over time. The widespread adoption of AI is not just limited to large enterprises. Small businesses are now harnessing these advanced technologies to thrive in competitive marketplaces. With tools like Microsoft's 365 Copilot simplifying everyday tasks and Google's Gemini for Workspace offering data intelligence, even startups can enhance their operational efficiency. Among these burgeoning companies, Octave stands out, employing sophisticated AI models to assist businesses in defining optimal customer profiles and tailoring marketing strategies. This disruptive innovation streamlines processes for smaller entities, granting them equal footing with industry giants while nurturing creativity and entrepreneurship across diverse sectors. As we delve deeper into the evolution of transportation, AI's role in shaping autonomous vehicle technology cannot be understated. With sophisticated algorithms analyzing real-time data from the environment, AI is enhancing the safety and efficiency of road travel like never before. Autonomous vehicles are equipped to navigate complex traffic scenarios while ensuring the safety of passengers and pedestrians alike, a development that promises to revolutionize how we commute. Additionally, AI is instrumental in optimizing traffic management systems, effectively predicting peak congestion times and streamlining traffic flow. This not only results in reduced commute times but also leads to lower emissions, contributing to environmental sustainability. The fusion of AI with transportation exemplifies the transformative power of technology, propelling us toward a future that embraces safety, efficiency, and ecological responsibility. In the face of these innovations, the role of education is also undergoing a profound transformation, as AI-driven platforms take center stage. These systems assess individual strengths and weaknesses, allowing for tailored learning experiences that adapt to each student's unique needs. By fostering a personalized approach, AI not only enhances engagement but significantly improves overall educational outcomes, making learning more accessible and effective for diverse populations. The integration of such advanced tools into classrooms heralds a new era of education, where every student can thrive and reach their full potential. In this rapidly advancing landscape, the union of technology and creativity unfolds powerfully within the arts. Artists are not merely using AI as a tool. They are embracing it as a collaborator, exploring new avenues of expression that blend human insight with machine precision. This collaboration is pushing creative boundaries, inspiring innovative works across various mediums, and inviting audiences to engage in discussions about the nature of art itself. As more creators leverage AI, the dialogue surrounding artistic integrity and innovation grows richer, ultimately reshaping our cultural landscape for generations to come. The AI advancements of 2025 mark a pivotal moment in our journey towards a more interconnected and intelligent world. As we embrace these innovations, our society stands at the forefront of a transformative era, where challenges are met with creative solutions that benefit individuals and the collective. Engaging with these technologies empowers us to shape a future enriched by collaboration, creativity, and sustainability across all aspects of life. The possibilities presented by AI are immense, igniting excitement about what lies ahead while ensuring we remain mindful of ethical implications. Embracing this extraordinary evolution, we can foster a world where technology uplifts and inspires, paving the way for a thriving global community. Moreover, the integration of AI in precision farming is yielding substantial benefits, as farmers now utilize data-driven insights to elevate their practices. By analyzing weather patterns and soil conditions, these intelligent systems provide actionable recommendations for enhancing crop health and optimizing resources, enabling sustainable agricultural methods. As a result, small-scale farmers find themselves equipped to not only compete but also thrive in an increasingly complex landscape, ensuring food security and fostering eco-friendly practices. This intersection of technology and tradition empowers local communities while contributing positively to the environment. As we look towards the future, the overarching theme of these advancements underscores a crucial reality. Technology, especially AI, is here to empower humanity, fostering creativity and nurturing our ecosystems while enhancing everyday life. As we reflect on the revolutionary landscape shaped by AI in 2025, it becomes clear that these technologies are not simply tools, but essential catalysts for a more innovative and equitable world. Embracing the opportunities they offer will enable us to build a brighter future for all. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.